Okay, today to teach you how to register DDC plugin. From my program share folder, you will see a DDC plugins folder. So inside all the DDC plugin file. So you can download this file to your computer. Okay, go to your OpenNS program folder. Name is the Longworks. During your installation OpenNS software, you can assign the installation folder. For easy to find the program, you can use the folder direct under your disk drive. The name is the Longworks. Okay. Under Longworks have many subfolders. You only care about the import and the types. Types are already told you this is the resource file folder. Then the import folder is the default folder for program, DDC program in OpenNS. So use this folder to save your DDC program and the plugins program. Okay, here you will see some subfolder. This folder usually means your program from which company. So you create a folder for our DDC programs. So like the JS controls or ALSE, Advanced Lab. Okay. Here you will see in my computer there's some program from other companies like the Testec, H-Round, Loytech, Mattress. So this one easy for you to manage the DDC program and easy to find the DDC program. So here this folder you see this XFI, XF4, XFB or APB or the DDC program. So I copy all the DDC program here. In my share folder here, you see the DDC APB file. This is a DDC program file. So usually I all save this file in the Longworks import folder. Then within the JS controls folder, you create a plugin. So copy all the plugin file into this folder. So this like you will easy to find and maintain your all the program file. Copy the plugin into the plugin folder. After copy into here, now you need to register the plugin into your system. Plugin not just so simple copy here directly there you can use. You need to register it. Okay. You register plugin. Right click the program. Choose run as administrator. Must choose this one. Cannot run it directly. If you run it directly, it will be show the error. You see, you will be see error register. Okay. So you should be run as admin. Then you will see this window. You press the register plugin. Okay. So it shows, because in my PC this plugin already registered, so it will be shown there's the same version already registered. If this new version or new program, you will show this plugin registered successfully. Here you will show existing version is 1.13. This plugin version is 1.13 because I already registered. You then press OK. So same, other program plugin register is same. Choose run as admin. Okay, like this. So this register the plugin into your system. This is the first step to register. Then second, you should be registered into your database. Okay, then open NS, so or either TCT, depending on your which version you use. So you open any database. Where you use the database. Okay, you choose any one. Here I have many database. So for example, you choose this one. Okay. Press open network. Okay. Now open successfully. After open the database successfully, usually you can see this all the subfolder. Okay. Another thing is important is you will see the add-in. You click add-in here or the OpenNC menu. So if you see this one means the database is opened successfully and the LangWorks function is enabled. Okay, if you cannot see this add-in and cannot see this menu, means they have some problem to start the open the database, or your system may be something wrong. Okay, to register plugin here, folder register plugin. Maybe different version. This the register plugin at the different menu and a different menu. So the latest the OpenNS is the menu is a separate menu, register plugin. So here you choose the register plugins. From here you will see not registered. So this plugin haven't registered in this database. Okay, not the system. This means here you can see means the plugin already registered into your PC system, but haven't registered into your database. But you only choose what you need. If this database don't use this program, you don't need to register plugin. So you scroll down, you see already registered means this plugin already registered into this database. Okay, this disabled means this plugin is disabled. Here have you see the menu disable and enable here something. So you can choose, you can enable it. Enable and register is a different thing. Usually you don't care this one. Then here not installed locally. What means not installed locally means the most probably is this the database you restore from the other side, from other PC. So this is a restored database because the original location maybe other PC. The database is created from other PC and installed it and already registered all the plugin. But you restore this database into your system, then you because this database no need this plugin, so actually you don't need to register this database and don't no need to register this plugin into this database. So here I didn't register this database. So already or I haven't installed this, so it will be show this is not installed locally, no need. But something you see this 2 point version is 2.22. But here you also can find another one, this one 2.45. So this is a new version of the plugin, not registered. But in the original PC, it just used only the 2.22. You see, like this the plugin. You see SIB 610 program. You see version 2.22. But in under my system, here the 2.45. So this only means the original one, original PC, the plugin version is older. But in my PC, the plugin version is new. But I also not registered because in this database no need, no use this plugin. This already registered one, you can re-register it if you copy the new plugin or something. Because if you see here will be show the version. If the new version, if the plugin have the new version, will be listed not registered under the not registered if the new plugin. So already registered is listed is already registered. Then if you double click is the re-register. Here is the pending, so maybe you will be registered this one again. Then for the new one, for example, you register this one, you double click. Okay, here there's a two plugin will be registered. Okay. Then after you press OK or apply, both can. Okay, OK will be registered and close this pop window. Here I just show you here. You always uncheck this one. Register all new plugins when reopening to drive. Always uncheck this one. Then always check this one. Skip the prompt. So each time you reopen the database, it will be prompt you when you need to register. So you only say manually to register from the menu to manually to register the plugin. I think this is a good behavior to manually register. Otherwise, all the plugin will be registered into your database, but the mini program maybe you don't need for this project. Okay, after you select what the plugin register you need, then you press OK. Okay, so now it registered successfully. After that, you can run the plugin. Okay, running the plugin, right click the DDC, go to the configure. Then as you can see from the plugin, you can see what you register program here. If this program have the plugin, you can find the plugin name. If cannot find this plugin file name, means the DDC don't have the plugin. Okay, like this plugin. Okay, you can find this one. I show another one like this. Okay, you cannot see in it because this H1 is not for this DDC program. So means this DDC no plugins. Here, if you press here, also cannot see. So means this DDC no plugins. So this one, okay, all this one is not for DDC plugin. So you cannot see the plugins, special plugins for this DDC. Okay. So okay, show this one. You see the plugin. You can see this the DDC have plugin program. If you have plugin program, you right click the DDC. You can see the configure and click the open. Now the plugin is launched. Okay, if the DDC don't have the plugin, you already can browse it. Use the OpenNS browse to configure to browse and configure the DDC. Use the default program browse, the OpenNS browse. Okay, this one. So the browse, this the green color one is the configure properties. Configure properties. This is a green color one. Okay, this the black color one is the NVO or the NVO network. That's the blue one is the NVI. So NVI network, like this one, also is the NVO network. NVO network. This is a black color. Blue color is the, you see, this the blue color one is the NVI. This green color one is the configuration property. Here is the function block name. So this NV is under which function block? You see here is the node object function block. This is the network IO function block. Okay, all these items is under the node object function block. Okay, this also this is gray color actually. So gray color means this the configuration property cannot change, cannot update. This value cannot change. This is a gray color. This a green color. This value can change. You can update. You can key in the change the. Okay, you can change the value. So NVI you can change the value. The NVO you cannot change the value. Only can monitor. Okay. So for these things, I will be teach you the details. I will teach you later in the later the videos. I will show you how to use the browse. Here just a brief for you. Okay, that's all. This the register plugin.